Creating a Chime bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed entirely online through the Chime mobile app or website. Here's how to do it. Download Chime app or visit website. Begin by downloading the Chime mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can visit the Chime website using a web browser. Sign up. Open the Chime app or website and select the option to sign up for a new account. You will be prompted to provide personal information such as your name, email address, date of birth, and social security number. Verify identity. Chime will verify your identity using the information provided. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional documentation. Create account. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to create a username and password for your Chime account. Agree to terms. Review and agree to Chime's terms and conditions, including any disclosures related to the account. Fund account. After creating your account, you may be given the option to fund it immediately by linking an external bank account or setting up direct deposit. Receive welcome kit. Once your account is set up, Chime will typically send you a welcome kit containing your Chime Visa debit card.